Hi Juban, this is the day 4 of 6th class mathematics. So today we are going to learn about more than 5 digit numbers. Up to 5th class and in 6th class recent 1, 2, 3 days classes we have discussed about the numbers which are having only 5 digits. You are able to read the 5 digit number and you know how to read it and how to write it. What are the places are there in the 5 digits and how to write expanded form, short form, and which is bigger, which is smaller, ascending order, descending order. These are all the things you have learned in 5th class as well as in 6th class. Before 3 classes, in before 3 days classes you have done so many exercises also, so many work also you have completed. Now today we are going to learn about the more than 5 digit numbers. So especially we are learning today about the more than 5 digit numbers. Maybe you will think that where do we use that numbers, that many, what is the need of that many numbers? Necessity is there. There is need. Just now, I think in before classes, once I discussed in the rounding up, I said, what is the population of your country? Then you can get it through the internet also. Once you search in the internet and you type in the Google, what is the population of India? Then he will give like this maybe. Not exactly, I am not saying exactly. Maybe it will be differ from my number. They will give like that. But we don't know how to read that number. We don't know how to write that number because we have learned only 5 digit numbers. But when I am thinking about the what is the population of India, means how many people are there in India, I have given big number here. You see how many digit number it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digit number it is. Then how to read it? How to write it? We don't know. That's why compulsory we need to learn about them because there is necessity. Because we need to count large numbers also, not only small numbers. We need to count large numbers also. Then compulsory, the necessity is there to find this. So one member want to do the survey. How many mosquitoes are there in Sangareddy? Can you count and write? Maybe you say no, but if you count it, maybe it will come 11 digit number. You take how many hairs are there on my head? If you want to count the hairs, lot of large number it is, nearly 8 to 9 digit number you will get it. Is it or not? So suppose how many leaves are there for the neem tree? Neem tree. In a small leaves are there. If you count that, maybe it will be 6 digit or 7 digit number. Means up to now whatever we have learned that 5 digit numbers are not enough. Because some situations when we are discussing about some things, we need big numbers, 9 digit numbers, 10 digit numbers, 12 digit numbers, 15 digit numbers, 20 digit numbers, like that we want. But today we will learn how to read them, how to write them, what are the places. You know the places: ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 only we know. But now, how do you write it? How do you increase the other places? Because so many places are coming. If I say to you, write the places, means what do you think it is? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Up to there only you know. Remaining places we know. If you know the places, you can read it. If you don't know the places, you can't read it. So that's why today we are going to learn how to read and how to know about the large numbers. I think you understood what are the different situations we are getting the where is the necessity of the large numbers. So many places we are going to write big numbers. So now how to read it? You just try to understand. I will explain. So when you are writing this number, What I said to you? You read the places and keep the commas, I said. Ones, tens, hundreds, and keep the comma, I said. And then read it for thousands, 10,000. And you think that this is the thousands slot, means thousand spot. How many thousands are there here? 24. That's how you are reading. 24,796. So this is we are taking thousands slot totally. Means thousands to 10,000. Both are same no? Thousands, 10,000. That's the totally thousand slot I am saying. 24,796. Now, if I give the number like this, now what do you do? Read the places like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. Up to 3 digits you keep one comma. Next to 2 digits, after the next to 2 digits you keep the comma. Now it is that you know that this is what slot? It is thousands slot. After the thousands slot, we have to take that as lakhs slot. What is that? Lakhs. Lakhs. This is thousands slot and it is lakhs slot. Easily we can read now. 8 lakhs 73,923. 8 lakhs 73,923. So that is the way of reading. Then how? After 3 digits comma. Next after 2 digits comma. Now you see what is this slot? It is thousands. And this slot is for lakhs. Then how do you read it? 67 lakhs. What is here? 3 only is there. 3,425. 67 lakhs. 3,425. Simple way. When you are increasing the numbers, when you are increasing the digits, you take that as another slot. Up to here, thousand slot. Then another 2 digits, what you take? Lakhs slot you take. Then you can read easily. See, can you read now? I will give one number. Can you read? What should we do? After 3 digits, 1 comma. Next to 2 digits, 1 comma. And you think it is thousand slot and it is lakhs slot. So then how do you read? 73 lakhs 92,924. How do you read it? First, 1, 2, 3 digits, comma, 2 digits, comma, next 2 digits. Now how do you read it? This is thousand slot and it is lakhs slot. Means 30 lakhs 42,508. How? After 3 digits, after 2 digits. This is thousand slot and it is lakhs slot. So what do you read it? How do you read it? 7 lakhs. No thousands. That's why I don't need to read it. 7 lakhs 324. Simple. There is no thousands now. That's why we will neglect thousands. 7 lakhs 324. So like that, after the thousand slot, next to 2 digits are lakhs slot. The next to 2 digits are crores slot. So we have the slots here. First up to 100 is 3 digits will be there. 128, 346 like that. 3 digits will be there. Next to 2 digits are thousands slot. Next to 2 digits are lakhs slot. Next to 2 digits are crores slot. Okay, now you can read this number also very easily. So try to read this number. I am writing a 9-digit number now. So easily we can write it because you know that first up to hundreds one slot. Next to 2 digits thousands slot. Next to 2 digit lakhs slot. Next to 2 digit crores slot. Very good. It is crores slot. It is lakhs. It is thousands. Now it is what? 34 crores. Total number you have to read it, not single. 30, total 34 crores 39 lakhs 46,102. 34 crores 39 lakhs 46,102. Okay, next. How do you read it now? Hundreds, 2 digits, 2 digits. This is crores. You see, these are hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores. 2 crores, 3 lakhs, 92,504. This is the way of reading the big numbers, large numbers. So now you can say, what is the number I have given to you? Now you see, I said to you one example of population of India. I have given like this to you. 10-digit number. Easily we can read it. How do you read it? First 3 digits, ones to tens to hundreds. Next to 2 digits, thousands slot. Next to 2 digits, lakhs slot. Next to 2 digits, crores. But not only after crores, there is no. We are not going to discuss anything. So totally you will think crores only. Now you see, this is crores, this is lakhs, this is thousands. How do you read it? What is the total number here? 134. What is the total number here? 134. 134 crores. 134 crores. 34 lakhs. 92,928. Shall we read once again? 134 crores. 34 lakhs. 92,928. This is the way of writing the misreading the large numbers. So now you understood, you can read it very well. What are you going to do? We are making the slots like that. First 3 digits, ones to tens to hundreds, one slot. We are keeping in one slot. Means by using the commas, we are separating the slots. Ones to tens to hundreds. First 3 by using the comma. First 3 one slot. Next to 2 digits, thousands and 10,000s. 2 digits are thousands slot. Next to 2 digits are lakhs. Next to 2 digits are crores. Maybe 2 or 3 or any more. Like that, we are separating with the comma and we are making into the slots. We are separating into slots and then you are reading the big numbers. Okay, now actually we know that there are some places when the 4, I said to you, when big number is there, 9 digits are there. I know the places of ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. I know only the 5 places. What are the next places? Now we will discuss about that. We have that ones, tens. Suppose I have said that no number here 99,999. This is the biggest 5-digit number. If you increase one more for that, what will you get? For 99,999, if you increase one more, means you will do like this, plus 1, means 9 1 10, 9 1 10, 9 1 10, 9 1 10, 9 1 10. So what is this number? 1 0 0 0 0 0. It is called as 1 lakh. What do you call this as? 1 lakh. This is called as 1 lakh. And this is only the place also. Next place. We have discussed now. What are the places we have discussed? First two, ones. Next, tens. Next, hundreds. Next, thousands. place is lakhs. Ones place 1, tens place 10, hundreds place means 100, thousands place means 1000, 10,000 place 10,000, 44 zeros. Lakhs place 5 zeros. This is lakh, 1 lakh. We will call this as 1 lakh. And this is smallest six digit number because there are six digits are there. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is smallest six digit number. Like that, six digit numbers will continue. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 3. Like that, if you count the numbers, if you read the numbers, 2 lakhs, up to 3 lakhs, up to 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs. After 9 lakhs, immediately 10 lakhs you will not get. 2 lakhs 1, 3 lakhs, like that. 9 lakhs 1, 9 lakhs 2, and finally it is 9 lakhs 99,999. This is biggest six digit number. This is smallest six digit number and it is biggest six digit number. So after that, one more if you add for this, for the biggest six digit number, one more if you add for this, then we will get seven digit number. We will get seven digit number. If you add the biggest six digit number to 1, you will get seven digit number. And do you know what it is called? 10 lakhs. You will call that as 10 lakhs. And the next place is what? 10 lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means how do you write? 1 after 6 zeros. 1 after 6 zeros means 7 digit number. It is 7 digit number. 1 after 6 zeros is called 7 digit number and it is called as 10 lakhs. And it is smallest 7 digit number. Then what will be the biggest 7 digit number? You know that. 99 lakhs, 10 lakhs it is. So 99 lakhs, 99,999. 99 lakhs, 99,999. This is the biggest 7 digit number. If you add one more for this, you will get 8 digit number. 8 digit number means 1 after 4 zeros I have written here. Sorry, 8, 1 after 7 zeros. 1 after 7 zeros, it is called 8 digit number. This 8 digit number is called as 1 crore. 1 crore. It is what is this? 1 crore. The smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore. The smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore. The what is the next place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth place is what do you know? Crore. Crores place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. How do you write the crore? 1 after 7 zeros. 1 after 7 zeros is called 1 crore. And these are the 8 digit numbers. So it is, I said to you, it is smallest 8 digit number. Then what is the biggest 8 digit number? The biggest 8 digit number is 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. This is the biggest 8 digit number. If you add one more for that, if you add one more for that, then what do you get? You know, you will get 9 digit number. That is like this. 1 after 8 digit, 8 zeros. This is 9 digit number. The 9 digit number is starting with that is what do you know? 10 crores. 10 crores. So this is the smallest 9 digit number. Smallest 9 digit number. And do you know what is the biggest 9 digit number? Yes. What is that? 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. This is the biggest, greatest 9-digit number. So, in this class, we are going to learn up to 9-digit numbers. Means 9 digits places are needed for you. Ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. These are 5. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Last digit, what is the last digit place? 10 crores. 10 crores means 1 after 8 zeros. 1 after 8 zeros is called 10 crores. So like that, these are the places. So you have learned up to 5 places before that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. And how do you keep the comma? After the 3 digits comma, and next thousands, for thousands 2 digits, 1 slot. For lakhs 2 digits, 1 slot. For crores 2 digits, that is 1 slot. So after that easily we can read. Before that we have taken so many examples. And these are the places. And these are what? Smallest 6 digit, smallest 7 digit, smallest 8 digit, smallest 9 digit, biggest 6 digit, biggest 7 digit, biggest 8 digit, biggest 9 digit. So this is about the numbers. So once again, I will explain you. Listen, what are the places? Now we are learning about the 9-digit numbers. Then what are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place, 10 crores place. And how do you separate in the commas? Ones, tens, hundreds, one slot. Thousands, 10,000s, one slot. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, another slot. Crores, 10 crores, another slot. Ones, tens, hundreds, one slot. Thousands, 10,000s, one slot. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, one slot. Crores, 10 crores, one slot. These 9 places, by using that 9-digit numbers we can read, and 9-digit numbers we can write. And what are the places? I explained you. And what is the smallest and what is the biggest? Smallest 6 digits, smallest 7 digit, like the smallest 8 digits, biggest 8 digit, smallest 9 digit, biggest 9 digit. This is about the largest numbers. And before closing the class, I have one more doubt. I will discuss something to you. How many tens are there in 1000 is my question. Can you answer it? How many tens are there in 1000? Okay. How many tens are there in 100? Yes. How many tens are there in 100? 10 tens are there. Like that, when I am asking how many tens are there in 1000, so maybe you get doubt. Simple. We need to write like this. You write 1000. Then you try. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? Means you 10 means what? One zero. You close 10. You will get answer there only. How many tens are there in 1000? 100 tens are there. Now my question, how many hundreds are there in 1000? What should we do? How many hundreds? 100 means two zeros no. How many hundreds? Two zeros you close. How many hundreds are there in 1000? 10. Okay. Now I am writing here. How many tens are there in 1 lakh? How many tens are there in 1 lakh? Means what is the meaning of this question? You know, if I want to take 1 lakh rupees, how many 10 rupees notes will come? If I want 1 lakh rupees, how many 10 rupees notes you will get? That is my question. So how do you find it? You write 1 lakh. You know how to write 1 lakh? 1 after 5 zeros. I am asking how many tens are there now. Tens means 1 0, close 1 0. Means what did you get? What did you get? What it is? 10,000. 1 to 10 to 100. 10,000. Means how many tens are there in 1 lakh? 10,000 are there. How many tens are there in 1 lakh? 10,000. Same, I am asking you how many hundreds are there in 1 lakh? How many hundreds are there in 1 lakh? Yes, easily we can answer it. What do? You will write 1 lakh here first. I am asking how many hundreds are there now. That's why what you will do? Hundreds, two zeros. We will remove the two zeros. That is the answer. How many hundreds are there in 1 lakh? 1,000 hundreds are there. 1,000 hundreds are there. Now one more question I am asking you. How many thousands are there? How many thousands are there in 1 lakh? So how do you answer it? We will write 1 lakh because he is asking in 1 lakh now. After that, how many thousands are there is asking. That's why 1,000 is what digit? 3 digit. Now 3 zeros are there. That's why 3 zeros he will close. We will rub. Then what is the number you got it? 100. Means how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? 100 thousands are there. So like that you can answer. Okay, how many tens are there? How many hundreds are there? How many thousands are there? How many 10,000s are there? Also you can answer by using the how many lakhs are there in 1 crore. You can answer it. How many lakhs are there in 1 crore? What do you write first? You will write 1 crore. 1 crore means you know that 1 after 8 zeros. That is sorry 1 after 9 7 zeros is 1 crore. I am asking how many lakhs are there. Lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. That's how many zeros you have to close? 5 zeros you have to close. Means how many lakhs are there for 1 crore? 100 lakhs. Means 100 lakhs will become 1 crore. So like that you can answer like these questions. Okay? Okay, in this class what you have learned? How do you read the more than 5 digit numbers? Where we are using the more than 5 digit numbers? What are the situations you are facing the more than 5 digit numbers? And what are the places you will call? What are the different places are there? We have only 5 places, you know. Now extra places you have learned. And how to separate the number by using the commas. After separating the commas, how you are reading the numbers. These all things we have learned today. Okay? Thank you. And better, what is the homework is that in this class, the homework is this is the page number 7 and page number 6. There are some blanks are there in the page number 6. Page number 6, one table and just down one more gap is there. There blanks are there. You have to complete the blanks in the page number 6 and you have to do the try this in the page number 7 and you have to do the one more table in the page number 8. The table in the page number 8. So this is the homework and I will give you the sheet anyhow. You can do it. Thank you. Have a nice day.